जैसे ही आप ITF ग्राउंड में बाएं तरफ आप आइएगा, गेट से घुसते ही तो सबसे पहले आपको MIET इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज मिलेगा। चलिए हम अंदर चलते हैं। हमारे साथ मुत्तू सर, यू ओके विथ हिंदी इंग्लिश? तो मिस्टर मुत्तू जी, इन शॉर्ट इफ यू कैन डिस्क्राइब अबाउट योर MIET इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज प्लीज।
So MIT Engineering College was started in the year 1998. We have crossed more than 25 years. Our college is accredited by National Board of NBA and NAC accreditations. Our college is very nearer to Trichy International Airport, just 2 kilometers from airport. So students can easily access our campus through flight. Our college has 8 UG courses and 6 PG courses, and we are also offering MBA. Our college also having MIT Polytechnic College. We are having it was started in the year 1985, and we are also having MIT Arts and Science College. Students can learn Arts and Science group also. In engineering, we are offering 8 in BE Civil Engineering and BE Computer Science Engineering, BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Electric and Electronics Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BE Biomedical Engineering, BTech Information Technology, BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. And we are also providing master programs in Structural Engineering and ME in Manufacturing Engineering, ME Power Electronics and Drives, ME VLSI Design, and ME Computer Science and Engineering, and MBA Master of Business Administrations. And we are also providing research programs in all the departments. Students can, if they interested in industrial oriented syllabus, as our college is autonomous college and we are providing industrial oriented syllabus, so students can come to our college and learn, and they can easily enter into the industry, so that it easy for them to place in all the companies. So the highest package the student was placed about 18 lakhs per annum they are joining.
Thank you so much, sir. And what about the hostel facilities, canteen facilities, libraries, and transportation? Is your hostel inside the premises of the institute, or is it far from there? What about children's safety? If you can say something about it, please.
We are having 2 hostel, one for boys and another for girls. Both are separate hostels. Boys hostel, more than 400 students can capacity, they can stay in the men's hostel. In a girls hostel, it is around 600 capacity. The hostel is very secured, and we are providing the gate pass systems for security features of these students. We are having canteen inside the campus, and our campus is a 73 acres campus, and all are available inside the campus itself. There is no need for the student to go outside the campus. All things are available inside the campus. If they want to go for a canteen, it is inside the campus around within 1.5 kilometers, and the areas are about all the buildings are in and around the campus itself. Transportation, we are providing transportation about 60 kilometers in and around Tiruchirappalli, in Tamil Nadu.
And what about the placements after the course is finished?
So ultimately 100% of students are placement every year. The students based on their talent, and we are also providing special training to the students to get placement. Our education system, it depends on 5 days we are teaching the subjects, and 1 day is exclusive. Saturday is for studying the value added courses, and we are giving placement training on that dates, so that students can learn for 4 years. After completing 4 years, they can easily place in the top notching companies. So most of the students are placed in Zoho, TCS, and Infosys, and all the software companies. In technical core companies means they are placing in L&Ts and TVS and Sogo Mahindra companies. They are also placing in all the companies.
तो ये थे मिस्टर मुत्तू कुमारन जी, जो MIET इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, ये नाम तो हम सब ने सुना ही होगा, यहाँ से हैं। एंड इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से अपने पूरे कॉलेजेस के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, फैसिलिटीज, कोर्सेज, इनके बारे में बताया। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप ITF ग्राउंड में 14 और 15 तारीख को सुबह 10 बजे से शाम के 7 बजे तक, जो 5 बजे था उसे बढ़ाकर 7 बजे तक कर दिया गया है, वहां आके आप इनसे मिल सकते हैं, तमाम जानकारी ले सकते हैं। इसके अलावा हम आपको बता दें, जैसे दीपक सर एंड हरिहरन सर एंड मुर्गावेल सर बता रहे थे कि काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स भी हैं। अगर आप यहाँ से इस एजुकेशन एक्सपो में आप अपने बच्चों की यहाँ पे बुकिंग करते हैं, इसकी एक कोर्सेज की कॉपी भी हम आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे। ये भी आप चाहे तो हमारे स्क्रीन्स पर देख सकते हैं। जय हिंद।